shouting for food. Hi, my name is Surya Tejas and welcome to Surya's Kitchen. I love vegetables. Also, I like rice. Then I was thinking, can I make a dish with rice and vegetables? And I call it Surya's Veggie Bowl. Do you know the ingredients you will need to make a veggie bowl? You will need chopped onions, bell pepper, black beans, avocado dip, rice, sweet corn, lettuce, grated cheese, sour cream, oil, cilantro, and salt. Now I'm going to saute the onions and bell pepper. For sauteing the vegetables, you will definitely need a grown-up's help. Now take a heated pan and put olive oil. After the oil is warm, add the vegetables. Add salt and let them saute for 2 to 3 minutes. While the vegetables are on the pan, I'm going to make my rice. Add the rice in a mixing bowl. After you added all the rice, add some cilantro and mix it lightly. Now the rice is ready. Let's go back to the vegetables. Looks like they're brown. They're ready. Now let's add the toppings. If you don't know how to make an avocado dip, then watch my video on how to make an avocado dip. I'm adding the black beans. I'm adding the avocado dip. I'm adding the sweet corn. Now I'm adding the sauteed vegetables. I'm adding the lettuce. Now I'm adding cheese. Last, I'm adding sour cream. My veggie bowl is ready. It is healthy because it has a lot of protein and vegetables. And I'm going to enjoy my veggie bowl with strawberry lemonade. I'm starving and it's taste time. So delicious. Wow, it's a good combination. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.